Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials, bringing you another original design. This is going to be with two ties. We're going back to two ties. Haven't done it in a while. Doesn't matter what color they are. I just picked these two. So this is going to be the Appomattox knot. So for you history buffs, you know this is where the Civil War ended. But this has nothing to do with that. It's just a cool sounding word for a name for a tie. So the Appomattox. But there's some historical significance to that place. And I have been there. It's a cool place. So let us go ahead and get started. This is the left side. It's going to be at my belt line. We're going to go ahead and put the ties there. We're going to put just anything in there to be as a fold. It doesn't have no particular is necessary. We're going to bring both of them around. We're going to bring both of them down like this. Okay, so this is where we're starting. And we're going to secure it by doing this with both of them. So far, pretty basic, pretty simple. Yeah. There we go. We're going to bring the bottom tie, which would be this teal colored one. We're going to bring this around. We're going to fold it down like this, and we're going to bring it up and over. Make sure the other one isn't in the way. There we go. And we're going to bring it like this. We're going to bring the skinny one, which is the top one, we're going to bring it over where we're going to push it through here. And we're going to make that like a square too. Now we're going to bring this back up over here and secure it and anchor it. Alright. So now that we have this, what I'm going to do with this one right here, this teal one, or the bottom one, I'm going to do a wreath. And I'm going to bring it through here like this. But you can't see that wreath, and I want to see it. So what we're going to then do is we're going to come across like this and have this over here, bring it down through there like that. Okay, so now we have that, so now we can just kind of put that up over here. And then this one, I'm going to do something similar, do a wreath. I'm going to come up through this wreath right here, up like that. So there you have that. Then I'm going to put the collar down. I don't really want that poking out. Might not have much of a choice. Might have to tighten it even more. Just put the button down, and then there you have it. So again, this is the Appomattox. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials so you can see all of the tie knots in one place that I've created and that the others in this community have created, like Boris Mocha, Patrick Novotny, Limbo Darkus, Christopher Bingabing, Alec Trasny, just to name a few. So, and Derek Davis. So, here we go. There you have it. There you have it. So again, on your side, my friends, you're 51 for made. Shout out to the Naughty Professor. I didn't include you in that as well. And Kirk McMorris, you guys are doing great also creating knots. So, if you have knots that you want to create and that you created, let me know on Instagram, tag me in them, I will wear them for you and give you credit. So, see you in the next video, guys.